Everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. Today we're here talking about Magnaformers. Now, right now, my little girl is playing with the Magnaformers Inspire set. I love the Magnaformers Inspire set because it's made from pink and purple and blue and really fun colors. Now, this is a 3D play set that whenever you play with them, these pieces come totally apart, but they're made with magnets, so they click together very easily, and it's pretty much up to you or your child how you want to place everything together and how you want to build. So everything fits together very simply, and it hinges together on that magnet. They're great play sets, and they're perfect for any age. So I know a lot of therapists and things like that who work with special needs kiddos, and these are perfect for hands-on stimulation, and they're really, really wonderful. Now, the Inspire set has 12 triangle pieces and 18 square pieces, so this is a 30-piece set. Now, the other set that we have is a lot of primary colors. Now, this is the designer set. It's a much larger set. This is 62 pieces, but it is going to be your oranges, your blues, your reds, things like that. Now, the designer set from Magnaformers is 20 triangles, 22 squares, 14 isosceles triangles, 4 diamonds, and then 2 trapezoids. Now, with this set, there's a lot more building potential, and with both of them, they're just hours of fun, and they're great for the creativity and brain development and things like that. These are perfect for ages 3 and up. There are some small pieces, so with the little ones, you don't want to just leave them unattended and not playing. So once again, these are Magnaformers on Non-Perfect Parenting. I'm also going to be having a Magnaformers giveaway, so make sure you keep watching for that. Check out my entire review on Non-Perfect Parenting, and have a great day.